makes Stabilo Boss possibly the best-selling highlighter in the world? Let's see. Weissenberg, Bavaria, Germany. The international highlighter heartland. Every day, 4 tons of top-quality plastic granules are used in Stabilo Boss production. This is then precision colored and liquefied at 240 degrees before being injection molded to make the legendary shaft in its unique flat shape. This sits securely in the hand, ensuring straight highlighting millions of times in 100 different countries since 1971. Both cap and seal of the Stabilo Boss are made of 30% recycled plastic. But that's just one of the reasons why Stabilo Boss sells so well. 2 every second. That's why we produce up to 400,000 Stabilo Boss highlighters a day. That's 60 million a year. A pen chain that could wrap around the world 1.5 times. The next machine gives the shaft its characteristic appearance with the Stabilo Boss logo, the embossed stamp, and the red Stabilo swan. In addition, the barcode protects the Stabilo Boss original from plagiarists. The shaft then gets an ink reservoir, is sealed with the conical part, and heat sealed to prevent leaks. Finally, we fill it up with Stabilo Boss ink. The luminosity of our ink is legendary. We make it from 10 different components to produce a palette of 9 colors. Each color is subjected to demanding tests, and then begins a writing marathon of almost 400 meters. But that's nothing unusual for the highly durable writing tip. The cap has a special inner piece, which the pen tip fits into perfectly with the characteristic click. Then, we test the print and color properties by hand. We record the pens tested in our database using the barcodes. But that's still not enough. The pen tips must, of course, sit exactly in place. And they must pass color and leak tightness tests. Only then does the Stabilo Boss meet our high performance and durability criteria. Both these properties particularly impress the French. In France, the term stabiloté quelque chose has become a synonym for highlighting something. The ink mileage of Stabilo Boss highlighters even surprised English prison wardens. A prisoner used it to paint himself yellow from head to toe. He wanted to spend a couple of days in hospital with jaundice. Before countless Stabilo Boss highlighters land on writing desks, in school bags, at hotel receptions, and elsewhere, they are carefully packed. 600 a minute. We want to make sure that the Stabilo Boss highlighter, probably the most successful highlighter in the world, reaches its destination safely, so it can be what we made it to be, the best pen for reading.